She's got Sky and Jupiter. And let me make sure I get shared over here on Facebook before we get too far into it. Now, first impressions, I love the look of your shop right here. Really looking good. I would love to hear it if we actually made this shop banner for you, but I doubt it. I don't know. This is a great looking shop banner up here on the top. Your logo is looking fantastic. So yeah, first impressions are really important, guys. You want to make your shop look warm, and you want to make sure it looks welcoming and high quality. And you're definitely doing a good job here, Polly. I like that you have your personal photo here and your name. And I like this little tagline, bringing positivity and happiness to your family. So, whenever you can put some personality into your shop, it can go a long ways, guys. So don't forget that. Showing that you're a real person is one of the things that makes Etsy special. And when you put a little bit of personality and you put some personal touch, it goes a long ways. So let's go ahead. You've got 25 items, so you've got a good start. And it looks like you said you had started, let's see, I think it said 1 month ago. So that's great. Good start here. Let's check out this one right here. Let's check out this first listing you have here on the top. So we have Spice Baby Onesie. Very cute. I love the little play of words. Your heart is beating so fast. Awesome. Well, I'm glad you're excited. I'm excited too. So first things first. I love the onesie. Really cute. But I don't know if this keyword is really going to be giving you the results that you want. Because it's a cute play on words, but it's not like it's not something that everybody just knows about. So with all of your keywords, you always want to search them on Etsy to see what kind of results they have. Okay. Now, this looks like it's actually fairly popular. So Spice Baby looks like it's actually fairly popular. There's 1,427 results. So that actually qualifies. That's actually a good keyword then, because it looks like plenty of people are using or have thought of, Spice Baby. So you're not the very first. You don't want to be the very first. Now, let's see, pumpkin spice bodysuit. That's a great keyword as well. Let's check what that one looks like here. Pumpkin spice bodysuit. You've got 1,487. Okay. So you kind of want to aim for keywords that have like between 1,000 and 50,000 results. That's what I would call the sweet spot. And that gives you an idea of how many people are searching for it, how many people are thinking about that keyword and using that keyword. So these two right here, the first one, I think we had Spice Baby, that's 1,427. And then your next one, you have like 1,500. So those are both like pretty good. But this one right here, Fall Baby Onesie, that one's probably a bigger hitter. And let's check out what that one looks like. Fall Baby Onesie, 19,537 results. So that's a great keyword. That's a really, it's a big keyword. There's a lot of traffic for it. And I almost would say maybe put that one closer to the front, because your keywords are weighted like this, guys. Your keywords are set up that the very first keyword gets the majority of the attention. Okay, so here's all your keywords here. We've got Spice Baby Onesie, Pumpkin Spice Bodysuit, Fall Baby Onesie, and this Fall Baby Onesie keyword is far and away larger than these two keywords right here. However, these two are super relevant. So what I probably would almost recommend for you on this one would be just to take the Fall Baby Onesie and put it as number 2, and then Pumpkin Spice Bodysuit could be number 3. Because this one's got 19,000 results, and then this one had like 1,400, and this one had like 1,500. So that'd be kind of my one suggestion there on how you could kind of arrange your keywords. But overall, I think you've done a good job on your keywords. And let's see, Spice pregnancy announcement, baby girl clothes, onesie, baby bodysuit. Okay. Don't understand pregnancy announcement as much, but I'm sure you know your product better than me. All right, so let's look at the rest of it. Size chart, really cute. I love it. You got all the sizing, you've got the length, you've got the weight, you've got the months. So very clear. sizing. Um, Bella and Canvas baby bodysuit and the Gerber onesie. So baby suit. Now on this, I think you're probably using the same image across multiple um, products, but it could be a little bit confusing um, because we've got so you got the Gerber onesie and then you got the Bella and Canvas baby bodysuit. So let's see down here. Spice baby onesie, baby bodysuit. This original, all designs. We currently using baby Gerber onesie for all white and black. I don't know if there's really a big size difference either way that it would matter. But I will say this is a little confusing that you've got the two different options here. And I don't know that if you really need to give them the two different options, because if you look at it, it looks like the sizes are almost exactly the same anyways, like 7 to 12 pounds, 8 to 12 pounds. I guess these ones are a little bit shorter, 16 to 20 inches. So it's not a big deal, but that could be an area of slight confusion. And then, so it looks like you're just including all the size charts for everything. So that is, you can do that. It's just, and I understand why it obviously is easier for you to just put the same ones across all of them. But if I'm looking at this to buy, I'm trying to figure out which product is which. So I'm assuming I'm going to get the bodysuit. Based on your note down here, it looks like I'm going to get the Gerber onesie bodysuit, and that's the size for that. And then I'm probably going to get the baby tee, and then this is the baby t-shirt. So if you wanted to go, yeah, I don't see that it's necessary to really put the different branding in there. Unless you really mix it up a lot, you're kind of asking your customers to figure out which one's which. So you're saying, here's the sizes of all these different things. And then you're kind of asking them to like, hey, go in there and figure out which thing is, actually being offered on this one. And they've kind of got to like dig and decipher. And even like, I guess I'm kind of OCD, so things kind of like even this right here where you have like baby T spelled T-E-E and baby t-shirt. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the same product, but like my OCD is like, well, maybe it's not. Maybe it's a different t-shirt. Well, you don't have anything else that's like closely related because this one's baby toddler and then toddler long sleeves. But I wouldn't say that's a big deal. It's just something to kind of think about that could slow people down a little bit. Overall, I wouldn't say that's like an order stopper or anything like that. I like this gift wrap option available. Really, that's always important to have. I don't know how they would actually get that. Do they have to put like we'd love to make your gifts extra. You can add gift wrapping by checking this order as a gift box at checkout, then add gift wrapping for $3 box. So how does that work? Let's add it to the cart. And then this order is a gift. Oh, okay, cool. Add gift wrapping for $3. I like that. That's cute right there. Okay, perfect. Very good. Very good. I like it. So overall, Polly, I like the shop. Looks really, really good. Let's go back and let's check out some of the other ones here. So we got a Halloween baby onesie. Now, I would say your items, they look so good. Like your photos are really, really good that I think you could go in and duplicate a couple of these listings. So like this one I told you, I think you could make a copy of this listing, and on your copied listing, you could move fall baby onesie to your #1 spot. So you could really push hard and kind of hit on that keyword, because the very first keyword is the heaviest hitting keyword. It gets the most weight and attention. So I think this listing is really, really good, and the product is really, really cute, really pretty, and it looks like everybody else here agrees as well. So for that situation, you could make some copies of it so that you could give even more attention to the additional keywords. So do you have too many details under your product details? You must be a little bit OCD as well. It is a lot of details here. So let's see. Right up here, all designs are heat pressed. Okay, updates. We are currently using the Gerber baby onesie for all white and black baby. Okay. For most up-to-date processing time, please view shop announcement. Okay, that's nice. I like that. Please read the entire description. Check the size chart to ensure that you're choosing the correct size. To prevent lost packages, please ensure your most current address is entered. So I think the product details are kind of the most important thing here. Right here, like some of these I think are a bit redundant. Like I don't think you really need to tell them that you're using the Gerber onesies. I think this is cute. I think that that's important because people care about processing time, especially if they're ordering a gift. Maybe they're going to a baby shower and they're like, oh shoot, I forgot about this baby shower and it's on Friday and I got to get this thing. Like, can this get here in time? So I think that's a very important detail. And it's nice that you give them a way to figure it out, if you have, what the most up-to-date processing times. But I think kind of the other stuff like the size chart, preventing lost packages, read the whole description, like those things aren't really, like if people want to do it, they're going to do it. If they don't want to do it, they're not going to do it, and it's not your responsibility if they get it shipped to the wrong address. Then down here, we've got product details. I think this is important, especially since it's a baby product. People are going to want to know what it's on. So down here, we've got these other details about like the tees. Like if you're not, I think this product, you do sell t-shirts, but if you don't sell them on this listing, then I wouldn't include those details there. Now, one thing that is, I think, missing is I don't see a photo of what this looks like as just a t-shirt. So if you had a photo, because it looks like all the photos that you're showing show it as the onesie. So I would like to see a photo. Maybe this baby's, no, it looks like they're wearing a onesie too. So I'd like to see a photo of the t-shirt, because I don't really know just exactly what that t-shirt is going to look like. There's no photos of that. Machine or care instructions are good. This one, good details, processing. I don't really think it's too long. I just think there's a couple things that you could probably remove. But other than that, I think everything else is pretty good. Everything else is pretty good. Yeah, so I understand when you're putting a lot of listings together, it's easier usually just kind of duplicate products. And, what you should kind of do is just come back maybe after you publish a listing, because when you're trying to publish a listing, it can be a lot of work, right? Publishing a new listing and you're like getting the photos and you're getting the categories and the keywords and the tags. So one way to like really take your listings to the next level would just be to like, whenever you publish a new listing and you go through all the work of publishing it and getting it done, maybe give yourself a day and then come back and review the listing the next day, fresh. Because if you've been working hard, like getting photos and getting keywords together, and you finally get that listing published, you don't always have the clarity or the mental energy to come back through and then critique it and like try to get every little detail perfect. So things like that, where this is what I would call basically editing. You've published it, now you need to, that's your draft. Now you need to come back and you need to just edit it. And only a couple little details need to be cleaned up. But those little details will just make it a little bit easier for your customer to make a purchase. And that's what you want. You want to make it as seamless and as easy as possible. But great looking shop, Polly. Let's check out one of these other keywords. I think your photos are super cute. And how do you take your photos? How do you do the lighting on your photos? I'd love to know what kind of a lighting setup you have here. And let's check these ones up here. Halloween toddler long sleeve tee. Let's check this keyword because that one seems kind of long. Halloween toddler long sleeve tee, 2,444 results. Pretty good. Let's see. Your friend took them for you. Natural light by the patio sliding door. Awesome. Well, they did a great job, and they probably put some good editing magic on there because they look really, really nice. So this first keyword, Halloween toddler long sleeve tee, it's a very long keyword, and it is a good keyword. 2,444 results is pretty good, but you can always try and see if you can get something a little bit longer. but I mean, that's about as specific as possible. Halloween toddler long sleeve tee. And what other one you got? There's some bats on here. Kids long sleeve t-shirt, fall kids tee, cute Halloween bat friends. And then you could also do toddler bat t-shirt. You can also you could try some other toddler bat shirt. Nah, it looks like you got a pretty good keyword on there. The other one you could try would be fall kids tee. And I don't know how popular that one is. I would imagine it's bigger. It is a little bit bigger. Oh, I screwed it up there. Something got in there. Fall kids tee, 29,000 results for that one. So that one's definitely a larger keyword, and could get you a little bit more juice. So there's kind of a battle between how specific you want your keyword and how big you want your keyword. So fall kids tee is definitely bigger and has more opportunity, but Halloween toddler long sleeve tee is more relevant. So I think this keyword probably is your best keyword because you have a better chance of getting ranked for this one. And let's check the renewal date. So October 1st, I would go ahead and renew this listing, Polly. Since you're October 1st, you're about 2 weeks old. And it's always good to go in and search. Once you've had a listing out for like a week, you can go check and see where is that listing pulling up in the search results. So if we come right here, 2,444 results. Now, if I want to find your listing, what I can do is I'm going to take your shop name. I'm going to copy your shop name because next to every listing is the shop name. So I'll go up here and I will go find your name, and you can also hit Control F, and let's see if I can find you. Okay. So I see you down here, my recently viewed, but you're not in the organic search results yet. And we can just kind of fly through these pages and see if we can find your listing there. And it's not yet on the 4th, 5th page. This one has one more. Here we are. Okay, so there you are. You are pulling up right here at the top of, let's see, this was page number 5. Okay, so that's pretty good actually. Page number 5. So you're at page number 5. Where was that one? All the way up here at the top. Page number 5. For your main keyword, Halloween toddler long sleeve tee. So I want you to get to page number 1. So what I would tell you to get to page number 1 would be to come in and renew this listing every other day for 2 weeks. And I would bet you that if you go ahead and do that, your listing will then move all the way up to probably page number 1 because you've done a lot of the other important details, made the pictures look good and so on. So that'd be my suggestion there. But great looking shop, Polly. Thanks a lot for sending it in.